Hello everyone, welcome to AKN Spent Education. Myself Naveen, I am the maths mentor, and today let us discuss about chapter number 5, exercise 5.2. Coming to question number 1, find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. How to solve a quadratic equation by using factorization, which is one of the most important topic throughout the mathematics. Okay, so coming to question number 1, x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. What is that? X square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. As the constant is here minus 10 and the coefficient of x square here nothing means 1, we need to multiply constant into coefficient of x square. So minus 10 into 1, that is minus 10. Now what is the middle term here, children? As the middle term is minus 3x. Middle term minus 3x. You remember that. Now can you say me what are the factors of 10? 1 10 ja 10, 2 5 ja 10. So here the possible factors are what? The possible factors are 5 and 2. As the middle term is minus 3x, so let me write minus 5 and plus 2. See here, if you multiply minus into plus, minus 5 2 are 10. At the same time, if you add minus 5, in the sense 5 minus and plus 2 in the sense 2 pluses. Minus plus cancel, we have how many minus? 3 minus. Okay, so I can write as x square, this minus 3x, I can write as minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Now what we have to do? We need to consider these first two terms and this second two terms. As we know that x square in the sense x into x. What is the meaning of x square? X into x. Plus minus, what is the meaning of 5x? The meaning of 5x is 5 into x, right? Here what is the common? If I take x as common, what is left over here? Here we have x minus 5. I can write as x minus 5 plus second combination is 2x minus 10. What is the meaning of 2x? 2 into x minus, what is the meaning of 10? 2 into 5. Children, if I take 2 as common, I want to take 2 as common. What is left over here, children? X minus 5, which is equal to 0. Now what is the common term? The common term is x minus 5, and here we have x and plus 2 equal to 0. So one is x minus 5 equal to 0. The second one is x plus 2 equal to 0. So minus 5 you transpose, it will become plus 5, plus 2 you transpose, it will become minus 2. So what are the roots of the quadratic equation? X square minus 3x minus 10. They are x equal to 5 and x equal to minus 2. Children, did you understand how to find the roots of the quadratic equation by using factorization method? Okay children, shall we go with the second question? Yes. What is the second question? The question number 2 is 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Children, first we need to check what is the constant and what is the coefficient of x square. As the constant is minus 6 here, minus 6 into, what is the coefficient of x square, children? Coefficient of x square is 2. I mean minus 6 into 2. Minus 6 into 2, which is equal to minus 12. Okay children. Now the thing is, what is the middle term? As the middle term here 1x. Right? Now let us find the factors of 12. 1 12 is 12, 2 6 is 12, 3 4 is 12. Because as the middle term is 1x, so let me take 4 into 3. we have here minus 12. Let me take 4 into minus 3. As 4 is plus and 3 is minus. So plus into minus minus, 4 3s are 12. If I subtract 3 from 4, I mean 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. So possible factors are 4 and 3. Okay, let me write 2x square. 1x I can write as plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay children, now what is the combinations here? The first combination is 2x square plus 4x and the second combination is minus 3x minus 6. So what is the meaning of 2x square children? The meaning of 2x square is 2 into x children. 2x square meaning 2 into x plus what is the meaning of 4x? I can write as 2 into x as 2 to the 4. Now let me take 2 and x as common. If I take 2x as common, what is left over here children? Here we have x plus and here we have 2. See children, again 2x into x, 2x square plus 2x into 2, again you will get 4x. Okay, so here only you should think and do it. So slowly you think, and what is the common? What will be inside the bracket? Yes. Now coming to the second combination, we have minus 3x means minus 3 into x, minus 6 means 3 into 2. So children, I want to take it as minus 3 as common. If I take minus 3 as common, I have here x and plus 2 which is equal to 0. Now the again common is x plus 2. If I take x plus 2 as common, I will get 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So first combination is x plus 2 equal to 0 and the second combination is 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So plus 2 you transpose, you will get minus 2. Minus 3 you transpose, you will get plus 3. 2 is multiplying, if you transpose it will divide. So x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 3 by 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Is it clear children? First question and second question. Now let us go with the third question. What is the third question? Root 2 x square. Root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0 children. Okay. So don't confuse children. Here roots are there. Don't think like that only. Okay. So the thing is the same procedure. Here the constant is 5 root 2 into coefficient of x square is root 2 children. 5 root 2 into root 2. So children, 5, what is root 2 into root 2? I call it as root 2 whole square children. 2 into 2 we can write as 2 square. Root 2 into root 2 also we can write as root 2 whole square. Right? Square root cancel. I mean 5 into 2. As 5 2s are how much children? 10. Now the thing is, what is the middle term here? As the middle term is 7x plus 7x. So what are the possible factors of 10? I can take 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. Both are positive only. Okay. Now we got the possible factors. Okay children. Let me write root 2x square as 7x I can write as 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Children, I can write this root 2x square as common. If you see here, I have here 2. Children, 2 I can write as root 2 into root 2. Because root 2 into root 2 whole square root gets cancelled means again I will get 2. As per my convention, I can write this 2 as root 2 into x children. Is it clear children? What I am doing here, 2 I can write as root 2 into root 2 and this is as it is 5x and which is also as it is 5 root 2 equal to 0. So from these two terms And again from these two terms, children, as we know that root 2 x square means root 2 x square means root 2 into x, right? So from these two terms I can take root 2x as common. As x square means x into x, already we took root 2x common, one more x is there here. Root 2x we took common, one more root 2 over here. Plus, here I can take 5 as common. If I take 5 as common, I have here x and also I have here root 2, which is equal to 0. Now what is the common here? The common is x plus root 2 into root 2x plus 5, which is equal to 0. So one thing is x plus root 2 equal to 0. The other thing is root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So plus root 2 you transpose, you will get x equal to minus root 2. Plus 5 you transpose, you will get x root 2x equal to minus 5. So x equal to minus 5 by root 2. So what are the two possible roots of the quadratic equation? One is x equal to minus root 2 and other one is x equal to minus 5 by root 2. Children, I hope you understood this question. Don't think that roots are there, which is a tough sum, but which is an easy question, but we have to practice at once. Okay, that is our third question. Coming to fourth question, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. Children, here the constant is 1 by 8. What you do? Here nothing means 1, nothing in the sense 1. So first let us find the LCM of 1, 1, 8, which is 8. 1 how much are 8 children? 1 8 are 8 into 8 into 8. Again 1 how much are 8 children? 1 8 are 8 into 8 into 8. 8 how much are 8 children? 8 1 are 8 into 1 into 1. So 8 into 2, 8 2 are 16x square minus 8 into x, 8x plus 1 1 are 1 equal to 0. Cross multiplication children, 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 8 into 0, it becomes 0 only. Okay. Now the constant is 1 here into coefficient of x square is 16. So 1 into 16, that is equal to 16. Okay. Now consider the middle term, as the middle term is minus 8x. So possible factors of 16 are 4 and 4, which is minus 4 and minus 4. Okay. Now I can write as 16x square, 8x I can write as minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Children, from these two terms, 16x square in the sense 4 into x into x. So from these two terms, let me take 4x as common. 4 4 is 16, x into x square. If you take 4x as common, again you will be having 4x minus 4x into 1 4x. Okay children. Now what I want to do here, I want to take minus 1 as common. Children, minus 1 into 4x minus 4x minus into plus minus 1 1 ja 1 equal to 0. Now the common thing is 4x minus 1. If I take 4x minus 1 as common, here I have 4x and here I have minus 1, which is equal to 0. So one is 4x minus 1 equal to 0. A second one is 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 you transpose, which will become plus 1. So x equal to 1 by 4. Again minus 1 you transpose, it will become plus 1. So x is equal to 1 by 4. So what are the possible factors children? The possible factors are x equal to 1 by 4 as well as x equal to 1 by 4. That is our fourth question. Okay children. Now coming to fifth question. plus 1 equal to 0. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. So constant is here 1 into coefficient of x square is 100. 1 into 100, 100. What is the middle term, children? Middle term is minus 20x. So what are the possible factors of 100? Possible factors of 100 are 10 and 10. 10 tens are 100. Because the middle term is minus 20x, so minus 10, minus 10. Okay. So 100x square, 20x I can write as 10x, 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Now from these two terms as well as from these two terms. Okay. How can I write as 100x square from 100x square minus 10x? As we know that 100x square is nothing but 10 into x into x minus 10x is nothing but minus 10 into x. Okay children. So 10 and x, if I take common, I have 10 here and x here. Again 10x minus, already we took 10x as common, nothing in the sense 1. Now from these two terms, if I take minus 1 as common, minus 1 into 10 minus 10x minus into plus minus 1 equal to 0. Now what is the common here? Common thing is 10x minus 1. So let me take 10x minus 1 as common. So again I have 10x minus 1 equal to 0. So again 10x minus 1 equal to 0. 10x minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 you transpose, you will get plus 1. Here also minus 1 you transpose, you will get plus 1. So x equal to 1. Here 10 is multiplying, it will divide. Here also x is equal to 1 by 10. So what are the two possible factors? That is x equal to 1 by 10 as well as x equal to 1 by 10 children. Okay. That is our fifth question. Now coming to sixth problem. What is the sixth question? X into x plus 4 x into x plus 4 which is equal to 12. Okay children. Now what you do, you multiply x into x, you will get x square plus x into 4, you will get 4x plus 12. If you transpose towards left hand side, it will become minus 12 which is equal to 0. Is it clear children? Once again, x into x, x square plus x into 4, 4x plus 12 you transpose minus 12 which is equal to 0. Okay children. Now what is the constant here? The constant is minus 12 and the coefficient of x square is 12. So minus 12 into 1 minus 12. What is the middle term children here? As the middle term is plus 4x, right? So factors of 12 are 6 and 2. That is plus 6 minus 2. 6 2 is 12 and 6 minus 2 which is equal to 4. Okay. So I can write as x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 12 equal to 0. Right? From these two terms I can take x common, x into x, x square plus x into 6, 6x. Again from these two terms I can take minus 2 as common, minus 2 into x minus 2x minus into plus minus 2 6 are 12 equal to 0. So what is the common here children? Common is x plus 6 into x minus 2 equal to 0. So one is x plus 6 equal to 0 and the other one is x minus 2 equal to 0. So plus 6 you transpose, you will get minus 6. Minus 2 you transpose, you will get plus 2. So what are the two possible roots of the quadratic equation? One is x equal to minus 6 and other one is x equal to plus 2. So those are the roots of the quadratic equation, x square plus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. Now coming to seventh question, 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay children. Now what is the constant here? As the constant is 2 here and the coefficient of x square is 3 here. So 2 into 3 which is 6 children. And as the middle term is minus 5x, so 6 1 is 6. I mean minus 6 and plus 1. So 3x square minus 6x plus 1x plus 2 equal to 0. Now from these two terms as well as from these two terms. Okay. From these two terms I can take 3x as common. 3x into x, 3x square. 3x into 2 that is equal to 6x. Now from these two terms I can take 1 as common. 1 into x, 1x plus 1 into 2, 2 equal to 0. So children, we got minus 6x plus 1x. 2 3 is 6. So no, actually we took wrong factors. See here, actually we should get minus 5 children. So 2 3 is 6 children. 3 into 2. Yes, minus into minus plus 3 2 is 6. See, we did wrong. Okay. Now, how can I write as minus 5x children? I can write as 3x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Now you will get. Okay children. Now, from these two terms, I can take 3x as common. 3x into x, 3x square. 3x into 1, 3x. Now from these two terms, I can take minus 2 as common. Minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Minus into plus minus equal to 0. Now what we can take common? I can take x minus 1 as common. I have 3x minus 2 equal to 0. One is x minus 1 equal to 0. The second one is 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 1 you transpose, you will get plus 1. So minus 2 you transpose, you will get plus 2. As 3 is multiplying, transpose, divides. So x is equal to 1 and x equal to 2 by 3 are the roots of the quadratic equation. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Clear children? That is our 7th question. Now coming to 8th question. X minus 3 by x equal to 2. X minus 3 by x equal to 2. Okay children, here nothing means I can write 1. What is the LCM of 1 and x? That is x. X into x, x square minus 1 into 3, 3 equal to 2. Clear children? LCM of 1 and x is x. X into x, x square minus 1 into 3, 3. So cross multiplication, x square minus 3 equal to 2 into x, 2x. So what you do children, plus 2x you transpose here, x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. X square plus 2x comes to this side is minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So what is the constant children? Constant is minus 3 and the coefficient of x square is 1. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3 only. As the middle term is minus 2x children. Okay. So the factors are 3 and 1. I mean minus 3 and plus 1. Okay. I can write as x square minus 3x plus 1x minus 3 equal to 0. So from these two terms I can take x as common. X into x, x square, x into 3, 3x. Now from these two terms I can take only 1 as common. 1 into x, 1x minus 1 into 3, 3 equal to 0. Now I can take x minus 3 as common. What I will get? I will get x plus 1 equal to 0. So one is x minus 3 equal to 0 and other one is x plus 1 equal to 0. So minus 3 you transpose, you will get plus 3. Plus 1 you transpose, you will get minus 1. So what are the possible factors? the possible factors are x equal to 3 and x equal to -1. Okay, that is our eighth problem. Coming to ninth question, 3 into x minus 4 whole square, 3 into x minus 4 whole square minus 5 into x minus 4 equal to 12 children. Okay, so if you observe your children, as here also x minus 4, here also x minus 4, what you do, you consider let x minus 4 equal to a. For suppose any letter, any variable you can consider. So 3 into x minus 4 is nothing but a, I mean 3a square, minus 5 into x minus 4 is nothing but a, plus 12 u transpose minus 12 equal to 0. Are you understanding, children? What we did here, we consider x minus 4 as a. So 3a square minus 5a plus 12 u transpose minus 12 equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation. So let us find the roots. As the constant is minus 12, minus 12 into 3, 12 3s are 36. Right? Now what are the possible factors of 36? Minus 12 into 3 minus 36. Okay. Now I have to get minus 5. Can you guess, children? I guess 9 table. 9 into 4 minus 9 plus 4. Yes. What I will get here? 3a square minus 9a plus 4a minus 12 equal to 0. From these two terms, I can take 3a as common. 3a into a, 3a square, 3 3s are 9. Now from these two terms, I can take 4 as common. 4 into a, 4a, plus into minus, minus 4 3s are 12 equal to 0. Now I can take a minus 3 as common. I will get 3a plus 4 equal to 0. Right? So one is a minus 3 equal to 0. The second one is 3a plus 4 equal to 0. Minus 3 you transpose, you will get a equal to 3. Plus 4 you transpose, you will get 3a equal to minus 4. 3 is multiplying, transpose, you will get a equal to minus 4 by 3. Children, as they are asking to find the, as the question is in terms of x, so roots also in terms of x only. Okay, sum is not over. So as we consider x minus 4 equal to a, okay, as what is the value of a? A value 3, right? Therefore x minus 4 equal to 3. So x minus 4 you transpose, you will get x equal to 3 plus 4. So what is the value of x? X value 7. Now second one. Again we consider x minus 4 equal to a. What is the value of a? A value minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 you transpose, you will get minus 4 by 3 plus 4. As nothing in the sense 1, so x equal to LCM is 3, minus 4 into 1 minus 4 plus 3 into 4 12. So x is equal to 12 minus 4 8 by 3. So what are the factors, children? The factors are x equal to 7 and x equal to 8 by 3. These are the possible factors of 3 into x minus 4 whole square minus 5 into x minus 4 equal to 12. Children, I hope you understood the first bit, how to find the roots of the quadratic equations by using factorization. We can also call it as splitting the middle term, as we are splitting middle term, right? So this is the first question, children. So after watching the video, again you practice, so that this concept is very clear to you. Okay, children, and don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends, children. Thank you.